There's a hadith in Muslim which refers to Dajjal, and it says that Dajjal will call upon a young man and he will cut him up in 2 pieces and he will throw him, and then he will put him back in 1 piece, and then he will smile. My question is, what is this hadith about, and why is it referring to a young man in particular?
You see, this is a very strange hadith, and it appears to be metaphorical, but in reality also it has been fulfilled, because there are reported cases a person was cut in 2, and before his death immediately medical help was available and they sewed him together and he survived. So the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam are, although translated metaphorically many times, but Allah has so proved that they are also fulfilled literally nowadays. I have read some cases myself exactly like this. You see, artificial respiration system is fitted in every ambulance, and when it is fixed onto somebody, his heart continues to beat. So while the heart continues to beat, the doctors have every possibility of rejoining things. As far as the limbs are concerned, this is quite common. Its right arm is cut off, or the right limb, right or left, whatever it is cut off from the body, and immediately the medical aid is available and the person survives, mashallah. So now surgery has advanced very much, immensely. And these are the Dajjal's days. These the Dajjals who have taught all the humans how to operate and things.